Hello guys, so welcome to Kayo tutorial. So let's continue the next part of this tutorial. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the texturing part over here. We'll be starting up with the lighting part over here. So let's get started. So now, very first of all, let's go into material and let's just reduce its reflections over here, a bit over here. And let's just go to the top view over here and let's just give a ceiling over here onto the top over here. So we can just assign a bit of ceiling over here. Let's again go into material. Let's go into Vray material over here and let's go into bitmap. Go into this kitchen and into this texture. We'll just assign one texture to it. After that, before we start up, we can use some external lights over here, very important. So how we are going to do over here is like, let's go into this view over here. Let's take a Vray sun over here. So let's use a Vray sun over here. Yes, we'll be adding an environment map over here in this way. So after adding this Vray sun over here, let's just select this light. Select the light. Select this and slightly just push it till here. We'll be shifting this light more far and we'll be slightly pushing it up. After that, I haven't selected a camera over here. We'll go into this. Let's give a filter color to the light over here and let's go into this and increase its photon emit radius and let's reduce the intensity multiplier to 0.5 for now. So let's see how it looks like. Alright, so the things which are very shiny will be definitely reducing its reflectiveness. We'll be working with that. Let's go into the materials over here. Let's go into this. Much better. Also, we'll be adding one more Vray light over here. So let's add one Vray light right from this direction for now over here like this and go into this and color will slightly push it over here, reduce its multiplier to 2 over here. Let's go into this double-sided invisible, no decay. So as you can see, how we are doing over here is like, so we need to set up a camera if it is required. I'll just press shift and F4 over here, shift F, that is show save frames over here, and let's just render and see how it looks like. Definitely we need to work on the lights so the things looks very highly reflective. We'll be definitely reducing its reflections. So let's go again up. So you can just reduce its reflections. Reduce its reflections. So you don't need the reflections, you can slightly reduce its reflections over here, so that would look much better. So press Ctrl C to place up a camera from that view over here. You can also use a Vray camera also if you want to create a Vray physical camera. Alright, now what I'll be doing over here is like, again I'll go into the material over here. So if you have added very high reflections, we can slightly control those reflections over here. We can control those reflections a bit. So wherever we have very high reflections, do control the reflections. So we can just control those reflections where we really don't require such high reflections. So you can see that there is still very high reflections. So we will again go into this and can off the reflections. So if you don't need it, please off those reflections over here. So definitely we'll be working with the lights over here. Much better. Save your file over here. So let's again go into the material over here. Just check out it properly over here. So wherever you see where there is required of lesser reflections, please make it less. Reduce it. Much better. We'll be definitely working with the noise also. And also we'll be doing some kind of V-Ray settings which would be definitely required over here. Save your file. So guys, if any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.